Welcome to the New York subway. Your experience is definitely going to vary, but I have been asked several times, is it really as dangerous as they say it is? No, not really.
Alright, but what I'm saying is this: if you gave my hat to somebody that didn't belong with them, the proper thing to do would be like, you know what, I gave you a hug.
I did.
Who? You didn't come say that.
Come here, she's on the inside.
Come on, man, that's crazy, man.
That's crazy, but you didn't have to call me a bitch. You told me I'm not
You don't do that shit. You don't do that shit. People get their head blown over shit like that. When I'm from people get their head blown over shit like that, man. Now, I don't know where you from, but you doing weirdo shit. You doing wacky shit. You doing, don't go off. That shit go off. I just came home off the nigga. Care about none of that shit, B. I don't care about none of that shit, B. I care about none of that shit. That's why I look like that.
Hey, what's up, New York? Thanks for tuning back in. Today we're in Bushwick, a neighborhood known for its cutting-edge music, its artwork, and its great nightlife. We're at a local fashion show, an art exhibit. Got invited by my boy Marc the Don.
We outside, you heard? Yeah. That's my boy Glock. We in the cut, like Peroxide.
This is like our 99th event straight.
We outside. Give
This
me
Thursday is lit.
in the cut, like Peroxide.
Shout out DJs.
So we'll start here, take some photographs of the models, and make our way into Manhattan later on. Should be interesting.
Some songs called Whoever's in the Room. That's all of y'all, because I love y'all. Alright, let's do it. Guys, let's go. Make some noise, y'all.
Fucking up love, but you're bringing the heart. Bitches be pumping like you doing your part. Heart in the heart, you thought you go. But you don't love when you touching your toe. Nikkor back, I had to tell little bitches for a bitch. I had to kill me, I feel like I'm on that. We ain't gonna get shit in this door, man. Nigga, these chocolate so catch on. Niggas into my phone. Hitting your hole, we keep it in common. Keeping it big, I'm really the G.
So after you've had your dose of the Bushwick fashion experience, and you're all wrapped out of the local MCs, well, you go somewhere to fulfill that appetite you've been building up, and you do it cheap.
Yep, that's realistic. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, just take that shot across the journey.
What?
Yeah, it's up there. Yeah, can I take one?
You're gonna get that one, bro?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, please. I appreciate it. Hell yeah.
You're really gonna fucking eat that shitty ass donut? Dude, you must be real fucking hungry. Look at that shit.
Hell yeah.
They don't even have fucking sprinkles. Now, I realize most Americans eat the most unhealthy things, but that instant look of regret on Marc's face. I see that shit, dude. Yeah, that's a fucked up donut. Get a picture of you looking disappointed, man. Come on, man, throw it down. Yeah, ready. Come on. 1, 2, 3, oh. Crazy night. I thought the rain was gonna keep people out. Fuck no, that ain't happening here. There might not be much action over here since they got it closed off. I don't know. My man over here getting creative on the crouch for the photo. Oh shit, this one might work. Come on back. This guy over here having a fucking Zoom conference or some shit. Let me go check him out. I don't know. Does it look like a YouTuber that you guys recognize? Fire department. Look at this guy. He looks cool. See what I'm talking about? They get out in the middle of the street, take pictures. They're fucking crazy. Look at this shit. Hell yeah. Let me take a picture. Sorry. It's hard. Look at this girl right here. She look cool.
So it's like sometimes.
Beautiful. How you doing? Hey, what's up, man? I saw you last time here. How you doing?
Yeah, what's up, man? How are you?
Good. I didn't realize it was this difficult.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's a hard game. It's simple.
We dance too much. Yeah. Ah, it stink. It's good for you. My eyes hurt. Here. Well, come here.
Like, how do you get that job? I don't even know. Like, there's that sound again.
Talk to her. Nah. Why you acting so scared of girls? Oh, man. She busy. She not doing nothing. She with her cousins. That's her sister. Y'all cousins?
I guess that shit must be fucking heavy. Yeah, it's gotta be fucking heavy. My man right there doing a Levi's commercial. Man, that's crazy. It's kind of perfectly, yeah, he ain't even blink.
He's dragging out. She's not good. Good night. Give him a hug, bro. Not good. He talked to her.
He's still here with him.
I know, but she don't care. He's cool.
Excuse me, can I get a shot of your donuts? Come on, man. That did sound kind of gay. Can I get a shot of your donuts? What was I thinking?
What, man? Weed and cocaine, ecstasy.
Do I want what?
I got weed, I got blow, I got ecstasy.
Nah, I had too many tonight, man. I had too much. I'm all blowed out. I know, but motherfucker trying to sell me some weed and ecstasy. Look at this badass car. I never had anybody offer me weed or cocaine or blow or whatever the fuck. That's a first for me. Now I'm wondering, do I look like a fucking cokehead? I know people be tripping out when they first come out here and they see steam coming out of the sewers. And I've had people ask me, is it supposed to do that? Yep. What is that steam? Fuck if I know. Now, personally, I don't like being the only motherfucker down in the subway on the night. But we'll see.